Hello, hi. This news for America. America, Joe Biden, President, government. Listen to me. I'm sitting this blogging place. Just to let you know, we made an international weapon that's called KKK 7. KKK 7. Like American white KKK, that's KKK 7. 1, 2, 3. A 3 missile. Well, we put it in America. America will blow up. Boom. We have been invaded that. Motherfucker. America. Let's start a game. Let's boom.